Wow. I've got to start doing more Triassic.
This fish is no underdog.
Just recording again.
Even if young, barely half its size, are fearsome predators.
I'll take some of this, okay?
All right.
And this juvenile,
Yeah.
pressed by this
All right.
out in blue. Ammonoids.
Here you go.
Close relatives
Thanks.
of today's deep sea
Man.
morphers.
Yeah. Anyway, as I was saying, I've really got to start doing more Triassic. I don't really get to draw that much as well anymore. Well,
Amphioelus has the pace
yeah.
to catch up.
Yeah. Well, no stopping now.
But ammonoids
Let's start.
boast a trick
Let's start.
of their own.
I'm gonna start.
70 million years after
I'm gonna start drawing this from the.
and a period known
I'm gonna
as
start
the
drawing creatures from the Triassic,
vertebrates made their
even though I've barely gotten to draw this one, like Desmatosuchus, an armored crocodile that kind of grunts like a pig. It's okay. I'm almost done with this one.
This fish is no underdog.
I'm gonna leave this here, Dad.
You got it.
Even its young, barely half its size, are fearsome predators. And this juvenile has spotted something out in blue. Ammonoids. Close relatives of today's deep sea morphers.
Here are the spikes. I feel like I would have done the same thing with the other part of his, you know, the other side of his.
To catch up.
All right, let's draw the rest.
But ammonoids boast a trick of their own.
And done. One more to go. One more to draw up. And done. There. That is how you draw Desmatosuchus. That armored gator. I feel like there's a reason why he's got spikes on the front of his neck. It's heavily armored. That's how I like my creatures. They're beautiful. Anyway, stay prepared for the next episode. I'm going to stay in Florida for a few days. And after that, I'm heading back. New York, Cabo, Dad, I miss you. I really mean it. I miss you guys. And believe me when I say this, I would never say goodbye.